About pork chops. Like other meat, pork chops is a loin cut taken perpendicularly to the spine of the pig and usually containing a rib or part of a vertebra. Pork chops are not processed and are leaner than other cuts of pork. Ingredients: 4 pieces pork chops, 1 teaspoon bacon fat, grapeseed oil, or olive oil, or other high smoke point oil, salt, 1 to 2 teaspoons of dry rub, 1/4 cup cumin seeds, 3 tablespoon whole black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons sea salt. Cooking procedure: combine cumin, peppercorns, and coriander in a heavy medium skillet. Stir over medium heat until fragrant and toasted, about 8 minutes. Cool slightly. Finely grind toasted spices in blender. Transfer to a small bowl. Mix in sugar and salt. Makes 1/2 cup. Crispy pata. Crispy pata is a famous Filipino pork dish that uses a whole pig's leg.